Food photography is a bit challenging, especially when one is dealing with the types of food that one has never ingested before. And for that reason, I think that motivation should be predicated upon the actual experience, which means tasting the food, tasting sushi. Never thought I'd see this day where I actually eat raw foods. But if I'm to capture the best pictures, I need to know exactly what I'm working on. Without further ado, let us go get some sushi. On that note, just like the Japanese say, sushi o tabeo, yugo. After a random search and a short drive with insurmountable traffic, I finally arrived at the sushi place. The environment is very inviting and the customer service is great. They do not serve Coca-Cola, however, Pepsi is served instead. And yes, they do not serve Sprite, but you guessed it, Sierra Mist. It didn't take a while until I figured out how to order and what I was going to try. I ordered 6 pieces with green mussels baked with cream sauce and served with ponzu sauce. A house salad which consisted of fresh lettuce and carrots served with apple ginger dressing. 8-piece red dragon rolls which consisted of spicy tuna, crab, avocado, cucumber with sweet and spicy sauce, octopus sashimi style. A bowl of ramen noodles served with chicken, just to name the least. To be honest, the ramen noodles tasted exactly like the one you get from a grocery store. The soup? Oh no, it actually tasted like soap with seaweed added flavors. Not recommended. If I was trying sushi for the sake of trying it, this would sum it up for me. But I have seen food reviews rate sushi places 10 out of 10. Therefore, the journey continues until I find a competitive restaurant to contend with. Leave your comments below with recommendations of how to order and perhaps the sushi place you strongly recommend. Follow me on Instagram where I will post the sushi photos to present to the Japanese magazine, and perhaps you could help me in that direction too in choosing which ones to present. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for uploads and updates. And I will see you on the next video. どうもありがとうございます. Peace.